Mushroom hunting on the mountain in Switzerland. What will I find? I'm looking under a few of these pine trees, but I'm looking for a mushroom called parasol. There's an eagle or something up there. Found it! This is an umbrella mushroom parasol. They look like this. They look like an umbrella. They have such a thing that you can up and down. And you can eat them, they taste a lot like meat. Followed some deer and they led me straight to the mushrooms. Mushrooms! 2, 3. I really thank those deer. Okay guys, please help me reach 500 subscribers with that video. Bye bye, see you next time.